So we've got a great opportunity today to speak with you a little bit more, Len, prior to your Distinguished Lecture Series talk, just to hear a little bit about what you'll be speaking about at that lecture.
I'm going to talk about our current research, and I'm excited about it because it really reflects the impact of being at the Mind Institute and my colleagues and how they've influenced my research at this point. So I'm going to focus really on things about treatment studies and kind of a broader view of treatment studies. So a lot of what the research is that we've been doing is to have good measures of change. Because one of the problems that we've had in our field is that we really don't have good, sensitive, psychometrically sound measures of change. And so some interventions that are tested, whether they're medications or behavioral interventions, have been deemed to fail because we don't see change, but we're probably measuring the wrong thing. And so I'll talk about some of the work we've done on creating new measures. I'm also going to talk about a different approach to doing treatment studies, particularly medication studies, and really talk about why doing only a medication study has kind of some conceptual problems and ethical problems that we can address by building in a behavioral intervention as well. And then lastly, I want to talk about how we think about the people in our treatment studies. In terms of having diverse representation, which is really critical so that we give everyone the potential to benefit, but also can have findings that are generalizable. But I also think that we're too focused on looking at diagnostic categories, and so I want to suggest that maybe we need to identify people based on the area that they need support in and get them into treatment studies then, and not ask whether they have a particular diagnosis. So those kind of three things are all, hopefully, going to come together in a coherent package. But it really does reflect changes in my thinking and my research because of being at the Mind Institute and interacting with amazing colleagues.
Well, that sounds excellent. We're excited to see you on October 11th.
Thank you. I'm looking forward to it.